starting in the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, the most compassionate, and who is the creator of the whole world. I hope that everybody will be fine and doing well. Welcome everyone to Aryana Professional Academy. I am Ahmad, Sear, one of the students of APA. Today I am here to talk about life. Life is a journey filled with moments of joy, sorrow, and everything in between. It is a precious gift bestowed upon us, offering countless opportunities for growth and discovery. From the moment we are born until our last breath, we are immersed in the intricate tapestry of existence, navigating its twists and turns with resilience and hope. The essence of life. Life is about more than just existing. It's about experiencing the beauty of the world around us. Each day brings new challenges and adventures, shaping us into the individuals we are meant to become. Whether we find ourselves basking in the warmth of love or weathering the storms of adversity, every experience adds depth and meaning to our journey. Embracing change. Change is an inevitable part of life, driving us to adapt and evolve. As we journey through life, we encounter numerous transitions, each presenting its own set of opportunities and obstacles. Embracing change allows us to step out of our comfort zones, discover our strengths, and unleash our full potential. In conclusion, life is a magnificent tapestry woven from the threads of experience, resilience, and growth. It is a journey that unfolds with each passing moment, inviting us to embrace its challenges and celebrate its triumphs. By cherishing every moment and embracing change, we can truly savor the beauty and richness of life. Thanks for watching.